Is your video stuttering and lagging in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Do you keep facing stutters while playing videos on your Windows PC? If so, this video will help you. Some Windows users reported experiencing stuttering and lagging issues during video playback. Let's get started. Method 1. Run Video Playback Troubleshooter. First, press the Windows +I hotkey to open the Windows Settings app. Now go to the System tab and click on the Troubleshoot option. After that, click on the Other Troubleshooters option and then scroll down to the Video Playback Troubleshooter on the next page. Next, click on the Run button present next to Video Playback. It will launch the Video Playback Troubleshooting window. You can follow the prompted instructions to run this troubleshooter. Once the process is done, you can start playing your videos and see whether the problem is resolved. Method 2. Ensure that your display or graphics driver is up to date. To avoid issues with video playback and play high-definition videos on your Windows PC, update your graphics drivers. To do so, press the Windows key, type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Windows will search online for an updated driver to install. If a new driver is found, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Restart your computer after the installation is complete. You can also follow this link for details. Method 3. Configure video playback settings. Next, you can try modifying some video playback settings and see if the problem is resolved. Here are the steps to do that. First, open Settings and go to the Apps tab from the left side pane. Now click on the video playback option from the right side pane. Next, disable the toggle associated with options called Process Video Automatically to enhance it and save network bandwidth by playing video at a lower resolution. Next, try playing the video to see if the stuttering or lagging issue is resolved. If the issue persists, proceed to the next solution. Method 4. Update your media player app. Ensure the media player application you are using to play videos is up to date. You might face video playback issues if your media player app is outdated or corrupted. So you can download the latest version of the media player from its official website and install it. If you are using a Microsoft Store app, update it by going to the Microsoft Store, then select Library and clicking on Get Updates. You can also follow this link for detail. Method 5. Repair the corrupted video files. The stuttering issue while playing a specific video might be caused due to an issue with the video file itself. Your video file might be corrupted, which is why it is not playing well on your PC. Hence, if the scenario is applicable, you can fix the issue by repairing the corrupted video file. To do that, you can use a third-party video repair application, which is free. There are free softwares like Meteorite, DiffFix++, and DiffXR Repair that let you repair damaged video files. You can also use the VLC media player to repair corrupted AVI video files. Here is what to do. Open the app and go to the Tools, then select Preferences. Next, select Input or Codes option. Now, set the damaged or incomplete AVI file option to Always Fix and press the Save button. Now, open the video in VLC and see if the problem is fixed. Method 6. Decrease video resolution. If you still keep experiencing stutters in your videos, we recommend you lower the resolution of your video. It will help you run the video smoothly on a slow or low-end computer. To lower your video resolution, you can use a free third-party tool like FFmpeg, AV Video Converter, Xmedia Record, and other video resizers. If you are using a laptop, then you can use a handy video playback feature in your settings. Here is how. First, open the Settings app and go to the Apps tab. Now click on the Video Playback option. Next, under the Battery options drop down, select the Optimize for Battery Life option. After that, tick the checkbox called Play Video at a lower resolution when on battery. You can now try playing your videos and see if the problem is resolved or not. Method 7. Switch to Best Performance Power Mode. In case your videos are lagging, try switching on the Best Performance Power Mode on your Windows PC. To do that, open the Settings app and go to the System, then Power and Battery section. After that, under the Power Mode drop-down option, choose the Best Performance Mode. When done, play your videos and check whether the problem is resolved. Method 8. Adjust your graphics settings for your media player app. First, press Win+I to launch settings and go to the System, then Display tab. Now scroll down on the right side pane and click on the Graphics option. After that, under the Add an App selection, select the desktop app or the Microsoft app accordingly. Then click on the drop-down menu next to the app. Expand the GPU preference section, select High Performance option and play the Save button. Play your videos now and see if the issues are resolved. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.